Hi guys, welcome to Tech Factory. For future video updates, subscribe Tech Factory and click the bell icon. Here I'm going to show how to unlist your mobile number in Truecaller. It's very easy. First of all, enter into Truecaller application. In the Truecaller application, click on the left top side. You may see a settings. Click the settings, and in the settings you may see a privacy center. In the privacy center you may see a deactivate icon. Click and deactivate your Truecaller account. Then enter into your browser and paste the link in the given below in the description. Paste the link. This URL is given in the description. Then enter into Unlist Truecaller. The web page is look like this. In this, enter your country and your mobile number. First enter your country code with the mobile number. Continuous. Then only it will be working. I'm entering the country code. Then I'm entering my mobile number. Within 24 hours, your mobile number will be unlisted in Truecaller application on Truecaller server. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe Tech Factory. Thank you.